Now can I open them?
Okay, go ahead. Pick one.
Which one is it?
I don't know.
Daddy!
Is it Daddy? We're obviously not professional egg video people. That Mega Bloks pack was huge. What is it?
I don't know. I think that's Lammy. Let's see. I hope it's Squeakers. You popped them.
Here, have Daddy start it for you.
Can you open this for me?
Wait.
Wait. Let's see. I hope it's Squeakers.
You got Stuffy. Show him.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's see. Let's open this one.
Squeakers wasn't even in here. Oh yeah, he was. I see him now.
Let me cover up my lip. See you, spider! See you, little spider!
Do you need some help?
No, I don't need some help.
Good job.
We just had a cattail in our video.
What is it?
Oh, that's cool. Show me.
Show. It's a bear kitty.
Awesome. Okay.
And Jay's losing her backdrop.
Let's open it. I don't know who it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know what SpongeBob is. I hope that's a butterfly one. Ow! Got a little plate inside.
Want me to tear it?
Yeah.
It does not.
We got down today.
She watches way too many of these videos. Who'd you get?
I got Squidward. We got Squidward.
Squidward.
You need to give the pieces to Daddy so he can put them together.
After I get them out. Look, this is on. This is on. This is on.
There's his head.
He has a bone too.
It's Caveman Squidward.
Let's see what's our options. Let's see which one we got.
Gotta always know your options.
Too many egg videos, Danny.
Just his head, Papa.
Awesome. Is that everybody you could have gotten?
Yeah. That's the rest of them that we could have collected.
All right, show your Squidward.
What's his
Show me
bone?
your Squidward. Good job, friend.
That's all for today.